Hi guys, welcome back to HAG Studios. High-rise apartments are common in most major cities across the world. And in recent years, Jamaica has seen a significant increase in these. For many first-time home buyers and even retirees who are downsizing, having a garden, no matter the size, can add quality to their lives. There's a whole lot of value in adding greenery to your space, regardless of how much there is. Today, we're going to look at a few ideas on how you can do just that. Adding two symmetrical plants on either side of the entryway will help in creating a warm welcome while giving an organized and balanced feeling to your home. These could be topiaries or lush plants in beautiful planters. If there are steps leading to the entry, placing plants along the way gives the feeling of being ushered into somewhere special. Living walls are great for any garden and ideal for small ones. They can even be created on a side wall on a small balcony. This way you are using a vertical space while adding life. Use a series of containers which are fixed to the wall using metal holders or brackets. Add varied succulents or plants which overflow, or a combination of plants. This adds texture and character to your space. If you have a small balcony, add even a pot of varied plants. Place tall, medium, and cascading ones. Then place two chairs. These can be foldable, or a bench, so you can sit and take it all in. In a small garden, potted trees will be controlled in size but can still bear fruits. Oranges, June plums, guavas are ideal for this. By planting in pots, they can also be easily moved around. There's always space to grow vegetables, even in small gardens. If you want to bring your inner farmer out but have limited land space, why not use hanging baskets or large pots or even multi-tiered pots to grow food? Tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers are ideal examples of foods that do not take up too much space and can easily be planted in these containers. Even though the garden is small, there's still space for interesting designs. Flowers in unique patterns can be placed along the perimeter walls, and lawn space kept in the middle for activities. With the help of mirrors in the garden, your mini garden can appear larger. As we know, mirrors help to make small rooms look larger. So why not place some in the garden on walls, which will make it seem like there are more plants in the space. Find an appropriately sized bench to create a sitting area in the garden. This will invite you and your guests out to enjoy more of what nature has to offer. You can even do a DIY project and paint the bench to match the color scheme of your garden. Small gardens are easy to illuminate. Adding garden lights is a simple way to a twinkling ambience as evening sets in. Water features do not have to take up a lot of space in your garden. It can be a simple tiered fountain, rock water feature, or even a small wall waterfall. These can help to create a central feature in a small space, even as small as a balcony. If you're unable to fit a tool shed in the garden, why not get a storage box to house small gardening tools to keep them out of sight when not in use? This will help to keep your little space tidy. Top with a cushion, and the storage bin can also double as an additional seating area. Even in a small garden, there's always space for beautiful garden ornaments. Add these on walls, in flower pots, and in flower beds for that magical touch. Adding a splash of color on a garden wall is a low-cost way to give the space a facelift without taking up valuable space. You could even paint a mural if you feel up to it. I hope you like these ideas and will be able to use even a few of them. Remember to like, comment, share this with your friends, especially those who live in apartments or in small spaces. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.